What's good, boys? Welcome back. This is my Strike Shadow SV2, and this is the FactoryZ shift lock. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to take the shift lock, install it on your Strike in under 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Step one, we gotta remove these two bolts. The stock ones, I believe, are an M4 Allen key. Mine were an M5. Pop them out of there. Next, we're gonna install the peg onto the shift lock. Take the M8 bolt provided in the kit, put it down through the peg. Then you're gonna use an M6 Allen key, hit on the end of the bolt, put the bolt through the shift lock bracket, and put the M8 nut onto the other side. Then you're just gonna use a 13mm socket or a wrench and tighten that baby down, like so. Then you can take this little plastic cap and push it onto the peg. Now we can throw the shift lock onto the bike. Down here on the bike, we're gonna take the M6 bolts provided in the kit, put it through the shift lock, and then we're gonna put the spacer on the backside like so, and then lightly thread it in here. Then we'll do the same thing for the other mounting hole. Start those threads by hand, as always. And I'm just take my impact and tighten that baby down with this 4mm Allen key. It seems too easy, but that is all it takes to install the shift lock onto your Strike Shadow SV2. That, ladies and gentlemen, right there is a super simple installation. I hope you boys enjoyed it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.